To AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, January the 12th, I've got 5 press releases for you from resources of China. Let's get straight to them. Keep up with me. First up is Evolving Gold, trades on the big board TSX and the stock symbol EVG. And for our friends in Germany on Frankfurt under EV7. Listen to this. They announced that they intersected 313 meters of 1.94 grams ton of gold, including 21.3 meters at 10 grams per ton of gold. These are additional assays from the 2010 core drilling program on the Rattlesnake Hills project in central Wyoming. That's the project that's been the center of a lot of attention over the last 18 months. This is infill and step-out drilling, and the company says it continues to intersect long intervals of gold mineralization. Highlights are the headline number that I gave you, but in addition to that, hole 148, 143 meters, 0.79 grams ton of gold. Hole 154, 109.7 meters, 1.02 grams ton of gold. Great numbers there. Closed yesterday $1.10, 52-week high $1.29, 52-week low 69 cents. Got to disclose the fact that I own a bunch of shares that I bought at $1.20. Always disclose my own holdings when I talk about companies on the AGORACOM Small Cap TV. But great news for Mr. Barker and his team over at Evolving Gold. Next up, Richfield Ventures, TSX Venture, RBC. More great numbers. 222 meters of 1.23 grams ton of gold. That's the headline. These are drill results for 5 diamond drill holes on their 100% owned Blackwater gold property. This drill hole was drilled 73 meters southwest of a previous hole that hit 227 meters of 1.51 grams ton of gold and 157 meters southeast of another hole where they averaged 282 meters of 1.4 grams ton of gold. Big numbers here. They closed yesterday, not a surprise, 435, 52-week high, 510. 52-week low, 87 cents. A lot of happy shareholders there, and why shouldn't they be with results like this? So congratulations to Peter Bernier and his team over at Richfield. Next up, Temex Resources, TME on the venture, and TQ1 over in Europe. They announced that their Juby gold deposit is expanding, and they intersected 70 meters, grading 1.2 grams ton of gold. These are additional drill results from their 100% owned Juby gold property in northeast Ontario. Great place to be. They say it continues to demonstrate wide zones of gold mineralization with excellent continuity. In addition to the headline number I gave you, you also got hole 107, 53.5 meters, 1.02 grams ton of gold. They say the Juby main zone gold deposit is greater than 1 million ounces of gold. I'll talk about that in a second, and is open at depth and along strike. It actually has a 43101 indicated resource of 614,000 ounces of gold and inferred resource of 602,000 ounces of gold. Closed yesterday, 37.5 cents. 52-week high, 48, 52-week low, 17. So maybe an opportunity for you gold investors to get in on a company that maybe hasn't quite taken off yet. Temex been around for a long time, so congratulations to the company on the news. Finally, out of China, the same company, A-Power Energy Generation Systems, APW on the NASDAQ, signed 2 contracts, one for $43 million and one for $13.6 million. They're both construction agreements. This is a company that's a provider of distributed power generation systems in China and a manufacturer of wind turbines. So go take a look at A-Power Systems, APWR. Closed yesterday, 573. Not too far off its 52-week low of 455 and way off its 52-week high of 1878. That may be a factor of China's been very weak lately. A lot of problems over there with respect to trust issues and the numbers that are coming out. So this may be an opportunity for you to do some due diligence, make sure A-Power is for real, and get in a potentially great valuation. That's a wrap. I have too many stories today to give you the typical wrap-up, but if you're watching this on Globe Investor, look below me to the left of me for great stories we picked up over the past few days, and get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM to discover more great small-cap companies. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.